Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's menu, I'm going to show you guys how I make my favorite sweet and spicy beef curry. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, place the pot on a stove. Add olive oil. As soon as olive oil starts shimmering, add beef chunks. Cook the chunks until they're browned on all sides. This should take 5 minutes. Next, add onions and peppers. Cook the onions and peppers for about 3 minutes until they become soft. At this stage, now we're gonna go ahead and add tomato paste. You need to cook tomato paste to caramelize the sugars and allow its full flavor to develop, guys. Add minced garlic. Yes guys, I like to brown the tomato paste. It will boost the flavor of your dish in a big way. Next, we're gonna add meat masala. If you don't have meat masala, guys, I'm gonna leave ingredients in the description box to substitute meat masala with. Add about 2 tablespoons of meat masala and chopped tomatoes. Stir well. It smells so good in here, guys. The aroma of spice blend. Next, we're gonna season with salt and black pepper. Stir well. Add tomato condensed soup. This will form a thick sauce. Add about 3 cups of cold water. Stir well. Add in crushed red peppers and mix well. Then place the lid on the pot, lower the heat and let it simmer until fork tender. This should take between 1 hour to 1.5 hours depending on the thickness of the meat. As soon as the liquids has reduced to half, add potatoes. Cover with the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. There you have it, guys. Beef curry with potatoes. I paired this beef curry with mealie meal and kale. I have videos on how to make mealie meal and kale. I'll leave the links up somewhere here. Go check them out in case you are interested to make the whole dish. Guys, like this video, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so we stay connected. Share with your friends to help this channel to grow. And if you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honeys. Never doubt yourself how far you can go. You are a winner and architect of your life. Keep going and never ever look back.